Good morning, mathematicians. We are looking at our cool down for lesson 3 of unit 1. In this cool down, we are thinking about the volumes of prisms. Now, particularly, we are trying to find Jada's prism. Jada's prism has 4 layers, and each layer is made of 9 cubes. That is the clue to finding her prism. So first of all, when I take a look at this prism A, I can look and see that it does have 4 layers if I'm thinking about those layers being vertical. However, one layer here, this front layer, has 6 cubes, right? So we're going to have 6 cubes here, 6 cubes in the second layer, the third layer 6, the back layer 6, but it is not 4 layers of 9 cubes. So I know that this one is not Jada's prism. Now let's go ahead all the way over to the other side. We've done object A. Let's go over and do prism D. In prism D, I can also see this as having vertical layers, right? This could be 1 layer. Then I could have layer 2 and 3 and 4. But just like the first prism A, prism D also is going to have 6 cubes in each layer. So this is not Jada's prism. Now, when I come over here to prism C, I am seeing 3 layers when I look at those layers horizontally, but I'm also seeing 3 layers when I look at it vertically as well. So this one doesn't even have 4 layers, let alone 9 cubes, 4 layers of 9 cubes, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at prism B. Hopefully, through the process of elimination, we have found the correct one if we have narrowed out A and C and D accurately. Now here I do see 4 layers, right? So I see my bottom layer, a second layer, a third layer, a fourth layer up here, and now we ask ourselves, we've got the 4 layers, do we see 9 cubes in each layer? Well, I do see that it has a length of 3 and a width of 3. So yes, a 3 by 3 array is going to give me 9 cubes in this top layer. And yes, I would have 4 total layers with each layer having 9 cubes. So we are going to circle prism B, because yes, indeed, we have found the correct prism. This is Jada's prism right here. Now, that's not enough. The next thing that we are going to do is we are to determine exactly what her volume would be. Well, we already said that that top layer is going to have 9 cubes, and we know that that's going to be repeated so that it accounts for 4 layers of 9 cubes. Now, because of our lesson and our work, we know that we could just take that 9 and the 4, multiply that together, and that is going to tell us exactly how many cubes are in that entire prism, and that is going to be 36. So I know that Jada's prism has a volume of 36 cubes. Now we know that because it has 4 layers with 9 cubes in each layer. 9 times 4 equals 36 cubes in total. That is exactly what we want to note for number 2. So boys and girls, this finishes out our lesson 3 cool down, where we got to examine different prisms and find the one that measured up with the clues we had about Jada's prism.